Yo. Thanks for logging into the Mr. Show. Big respect every time. It's the Mr. Show. Remember, people, it's reaction videos, and I put my own twist to it. So just get used to it, love it, like it, respect it. Thanks for logging in to the Mr. Show.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out.
Who trouble you?
The last time when you your mother front. I got trouble me.
Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. Jamaica, me not sell out.
Who trouble you?
The last time when you your mother front. I got trouble me.
Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But
And your grandmother to get the paper.
Nobody in their right mind would believe that.
But when we there yard, nothing nice like Jamaica.
Respect. Jamaicans all about the diaspora and all about the world. It's a YouTube channel where I'm dedicating it to the Jamaican flag and the Jamaican culture and the Jamaican influence around the world, the Jamaican diaspora, and of course how the Africans are responding to Jamaicans. Enough respect. I'm a yard friend them. A Portland, Jamaica I come from. The big respect to all country people too. Big up.
It's like Jamaica.
Beautiful
Fruit
Jamaica,
and
bro.
banana. Under the tree with a glass of lemonade.
Biggest busy signal. Big up biggest busy
Jump in
signal.
at the river when me ready for paid. No boy can't buy me out.
Being Jamaican is not just nationality. It's royalty.
Me no foreign minded, no way compared to Jamaica.
And once you're from that bloodline, you're Jamaican.
As a member of the Jamaica Bedroom Bully Society, I have to issue out a special warning to those
The Jamaican Bedroom Bully Society, bro. Let's go.
of the Jamaica Bedroom Bully Society. I have to issue out a special warning to those Jamaican young men who are migrating to foreign. Listen to me, man. Una come up and up a thing.
Yeah, man.
And I don't like it. Because one time gone, Jamaicans used to be held at the highest standard when it comes to performances. Now the girl them a complain and them don't want to give me no more pom-pom. As soon as them hear say Jamaica me come from, the girl them gone. Them say them don't want to give me no more pom-pom because that when it comes to performances. Now the girl them a complain and them don't want to give me no more pom-pom. As soon as them hear say Jamaica me come from, the girl them gone. Them say them don't want to give me no more pom-pom because Jamaican man can't again. See me? Because these new age young men who are migrating to foreign are coming with some long ass tongue and some big where them can't use. See me? Yeah. The girl them a complain say, "All who no want do and yam."
Yo. The man them say some muma long tongue.
More pom-pom because Jamaican man can't again. See me? Because these new age young men who are migrating to foreign are coming with some long ass tongue and some big where them can't use. See me? The girl them a complain say, "All who no want do and yam." And then when it comes to time to no fling some can shift some woman, make the girl them go crazy in their bedroom. Who no care?
I'm here to help. Nothing more, nothing less.
Yo. Is that true? Up here yummy.
And and then when it comes to time to no fling some can shift some woman, make the girl them go crazy in their bedroom. Who no care?
I'm here to help. Nothing more, nothing less.
Some call it bad word, some call it expletives.
I'm tired of hearing Wagwan.
All right, shout out to all my Jamaicans around the world. Everybody know what Wagwan mean. What's going on? What a Gwan. So she has to way Gwan and stuff, but me don't know. Wagwan. Wagwan people. Big up on yourself. All Jamaicans around the world. All Africans. Big up on yourself. Wagwan. Let's go.
Tired of hearing Wagwan.
In a Jamaica,
We have our ways of speaking like Wagwan man, that mean greetings.
So here are some things that you can say other than Wagwan.
So if you're ignorant to it, me just teach you something where you never.
You can start by simply saying, how you do?
But all around the world we use different speeches.
How you do? How you do? Where you depend? Where you depend? Where you depend?
It's just an expression from a Jamaican.
Or what you depend? Where you depend? Why pre? Why pre? Which is short for where are the pre? What the pre? What the pre? Or you say why pre?
Why are men riding a horse? That me want to know.
Pan.
It's just an expression from a Jamaican.
Or what you depend? Where you depend? Why pre? Why pre? Which is short for where are the pre? What the pre? What the pre? Or you say why pre?
Oh, rascal. For me love me place decent and full of food and then something there.
All right. What kind of man she could have loved, so? To the point where she have man in her house and name out the food and not contribute. So in other words, ladies, if you know that you're not really harboring a man in your house that's not contributing to the greatness, to the upliftment, to the movement, to the everyday survival, vice versa, man. She have to move up. She have to move up. Let's go.
For me love me place decent and full of food and then something there. And see a man there me yard, me have to go stop buy me food because man not contribute nothing. That man me want so. Him out a man when me take a
I guess she's had a few men in her time. Let's go.
and see a man there me yard, me have to go stop buy me food because man not contribute nothing. That man me want so. Him out a man when me take a
Already.
Me not have to take no more man. And the man then sick me stomach if you don't want to believe it or not. Me not no nature again, you know. I couldn't tell when.
Okay. For everybody on the channel, when she says she not on nature again, right? She don't have no nature. Her natural self, in other words, she could never get turned on anymore. She not get turned on anymore by him. Yo, she not on nature again. The y'all said, yo, let's go.
Me not have to take no more man. And the man then sick me stomach if you don't want to believe it or not. Me not no nature again, you know. I couldn't tell when. Me feel like me want you know long me no feel like me want none. Cause me not give no man no free. Me just come in, come enjoy when me go so hard for me. Now use the same pum pum where Bill me broke me back.
And Jamaican people are some different species. When we express words to the poor it reaches. And this is not a word any school teaches. It comes from where the street is.
How to identify a Jamaican?
How to identify a Jamaican. I know that country people talk different than town people. And I'll just leave it there. Let's go.
I promise, it's not hard. The first thing you need to know, we call Jamaica yard.
If you're not born in Jamaica, you're not a Jamaican. Well, I don't fully agree with that. If a goat born in a pig pen, that don't make them a pig.
That's the one with that foreign still. You know the one with that abroad? The one them a fight it in the cold ear them. No way no better than yard. You see if you really want to know Jamaican, just check their knee or check the middle of them forehead. Them must have a bus like me.
Being Jamaican.
Check the middle of the forehead. They must have a boss like me. A Jamaican. Hold on.
Kick it.
Hold on. I want to look a boss it up. I want to look a boss it.
It's not just nationality. It's royalty. And once you're from that bloodline, you're Jamaican to me. There's a quote that says, go where you're celebrated, not where you're tolerated.
How many children you have?
18.
18 children?
Yeah.
For one man?
One man.
Ooh-wee. 18 children for one man. Now talk about a feat. And guess what? If she has 18 children, how old do you think she is? And then here's the next question. How old do you think that her oldest is and her youngest is? Let's go. 18 children from one man. Commendable. Granny, talk to them. For some, that's great granny. Talk to them.
18 children?
Yeah.
For one man?
One man.
Got you pregnant 18 times?
18 times.
How many children do you have?
23, 22 baby mother.
That was a bad man.
Real bad man.
Or you were a bad woman?
No, he don't go. He just stay one place.
Oh.
So me just stay with him.
For one man?
One man.
Got you pregnant 18 times?
18 times.
How many children do you have?
23, 22 baby mother.
That was a bad man.
Real bad man.
Or you were a bad woman?
No, he don't go. He just stay one place.
Oh.
So me just stay with him.
So when you stay one place, you get 20 kids.
Yeah.
And you said 13 are alive.
13 alive. 7 boys and 6 girls.
And you are 90.
Yeah. June coming.
June you'll be 90.
June we will be 90.
So how old is your oldest child?
74.
One next thing about Jamaicans, most of we immunize and if a mark on shoulder, better never.
Yo, before we go to the mark on my shoulder, her oldest child is 70-something years old, and she is 90 plus. Or 90 years old coming up. Amazing.
7 boys and 6 girls.
And you are 90.
Yeah. June coming.
June you'll be 90.
June we will be 90.
So how old is your oldest child?
74.
One next thing about Jamaicans, most of we immunize and if a mark on shoulder, better never realize. Yeah man, most of we different. Some are we brown, some are we black. And if you ask Jamaican a question, them ask you one right back.
Your first child is 74 years old. Imagine that. Wow, that's marvelous. I've never met anybody with 18 children. I didn't know that was even possible. Yes. You think you would have any more now?
No.
This is serious.
This is food for you.
So all that for you, my own.
Yeah, you buy the flour and you say you want 4 dumplings, you get 4 dumplings. Me cook so me take 3 dumplings, my. See there? So me get 3 and you get 4, my. Don't you, my? You get 4 and me get 3. You get more than me, 4 or 3 you shall know for.
4 enough about.
Yeah, then take it off. Well, if you don't want to, I let me.
To the knife. You can tell where a Jamaican come from just by the way them talk. For some of we name up a word like we are heat with knife and fork. And then you have some of us who speak eloquent and refined. And some big word that them use, it absolutely blow your mind. And if me say, how way they do, you know that a man take a beer. And sentence people don't say yesterday, them say yesterday. And if you go and St. Elizabeth home, them say come in, take a sit. You thirsty? What you want for drink? You want anything for eat? Yes. Eat. Them want to say eat. Them just say it in a different way. St. Elizabeth people we talk about them latrine. Where they do that a man to go beer. And Portland people when them a give direction, the first thing they say you go so boom. And when them a say come down.
Yo, big up. Portland people on my side of town, that big up our Clarendon people, St. Thomas people, y'all Marant beer. Big up.
The man to go beer. And Portland people when them a give direction, the first thing they say you go so boom. And when them a say come down, then replace the come with come. Then you have some other set of people who talk up in the back of them nose. The Rebecca, Jessica. Tell me, where you can find some of those?
No Jamaican man.
Shout out to Corey Rhymes, big up. Yo, where you say from England?
Rebecca, Jessica. Tell me, where you can find some of those?
No Jamaican man that want marry the British girl them and come at England and when no come at England una this woman them. You think them British girl you idiot like we Jamaican girl, if you talk too hard to them might put you out and winter come. So uno behave on yourself. Uno fi behave on yourself.
Next thing about
Hold on. Please double check what you're saying online before you just come in and talk anything. Okay? Okay.
Jamaicans, they're not afraid to answer you. Because if you pass your place, them tell you your favor about you. You know what Zutu Peng? Now make them call you off dog. Because the next thing will come after that, I say you need soap and rag. All in all, we have the vibes. Anywhere we go, we represent. And if you meet a Jamaican girl, just know she heaven sent. Hey, Jamaica the best, yeah? That's all for today. If you think you know some more, comment and tell me. You know.
Think about it. The best thing God created. Money. Jamaican man cocky, and if you haven't had Jamaican man cocky yet,
the force will be with you.
Always.
You have to sample that Jamaican, yo. That they must say. That the girls they must say. You have to sample a Ramakan Jamaican.
You gotta try it. And Jamaican food. And too much of any of these you can go wrong. Because greed is a sin. That what me tell you. Greed is a sin. You can't be greedy for too much money. You can't be greedy for the Jamaican cocky because you're going to come up with a whole heap of picnic. And you can't be greedy with the Jamaican food because you're going to be fat, no blood clots. All right, y'all. Be safe out there.
Thanks for logging in. Thanks for watching this far. It's the Mr. Show. Like and subscribe, man. Ciao.